Hello everyone, today we will be guiding you through the workflow of our device, the solar-powered smart waste segregator with alcohol dispenser. So we will be explaining each stage of its operation in 5 key parts.
Una, waste detection. Sisimula ang proseso sa pag-detect ng waste. May sensor po ang device na na-activate kapag may basurang nilalagay sa loob o malapit sa kanya. Sa detection na ito, na-initiate ang sistema ng waste segregation process para siguradong na-track ang bawat pagtapon.
Sunod naman is waste identification and sorting. Ina-identify naman at sinosort ng device ang waste gamit ang specific sensors. Nadidetect ng device kung metallic or non-metallic ba ang basura. Kapag na-determine ang uri ng waste ay may mechanism sa loob ng itinutulak ito sa tamang compartment para ma-segregate ng maayos.
Servo motor activation for waste movement. Dito naman pumapasok ang servo motor para sa paggalaw ng basura. Kapag alam na kung anong uri ng waste, servo motor ang nagtutulak sa tamang basurahan papunta sa tamang lalagyan.
Kasunod naman, alcohol dispenser activation. Meron din tayong alcohol dispenser para sa hygiene. Pagkatapos magtapon ng basura, nagbibigay ang device ng automatic alcohol spray para sa user. Sa ganitong paraan, mas na-encourage ang malinis at safe na disposal practice.
GSM notification system. Kapag napuno na ang device, nagpapadala ito ng notification message. May GSM module na nagsisend ng alert kapag puno na ang bin. Importante ito para malaman agad kung kailan kailangan i-empty ang bin at para maiwasan ng overflow.
And that is the complete workflow of our device. Each part is designed to work together from waste detection all the way to promoting hygiene. This workflow not only makes waste disposal more efficient but also encourages sustainable and hygienic practices.
We are Group 3. I'm Hannah Jasmine Nicole Babon.
I'm Jalay Camacho.
I'm Nilo Demona.
Our device title is Ecobin Solar Powered Smart Waste Segregator with alcohol dispenser. Introduction. The solar powered smart waste segregator with alcohol dispenser is to design, improve waste management, sustainability, and public hygiene. It automatically sorts within 2 categories using solar power, reducing energy consumption. The alcohol dispenser encourages hand hygiene, making the ideal for public spaces where it offers convenient, eco-friendly solution for waste disposal and sanitation.
This device functions as a primary controller connecting and managing all other system components. Breadboard serves as a platform for prototyping, allowing release, assembly, and testing of certain connections before finalizing the design. Inductive proximity sensor. This sensor is responsible for detecting the presence of metallic objects. Ultrasonic sensor. This sensor measures the distance of the object, enabling the system to detect the field level of waste. Motor pump. This component is responsible for dispensing of alcohol. GSM and handheld. This module facilitates communication by enabling the Ecobin system to send and receive texts and alerts. Servo motor. The servo motor directs waste into designated bins based on sensor features. Solar power bank. The solar power bank functions as a renewable energy source, allowing consistent power to operate devices and components such as sensor, motor, and GSM module without relying on external electricity. This module allows Arduino Mega 560 to control devices such as motors and pumps by safely switching them on and off.
Total cost. Arduino Mega 2560, 563. Breadboard, 100 watts. Inductive sensor, 150. Ultrasonic distance sensor, 135. Motor fan, 50. Back boost converter, 90. Arduino relay module, 199. GSM module, SIM, 908, 349. Jumper bar, male to male, 390. Jumper bar, female to female, 390. A total of 2,417 pesos.
So, good afternoon to all of you. Presenting the assessment of our capsule
process. Specifically, focusing po on the feedback provided by the IT experts. Regarding core areas which are yung mga time, yung time control, regulation, and communication. So, starting with time, the overall means for 3.57 indicates a strong agreement with the time performance of the system. So, we received an overall means for 3.57, which is verbally described now as strong agreement. So, this indicates for that our device is effective in maintaining time synchronization. So, moving on to control naman po, the overall mean score is 3.41, suggests strong agreement on the effectiveness of control system in the equipment time. So, the experts nga po rated this aspect with an overall mean score of 3.41, so described as strongly agree. This score highlights the reliability of the control mechanisms integrated into the device, such as stability and responsiveness. So, communication. So, sa communication naman po, category, I will receive a mean score 3.
Communication.
Ito, communication.
Communication. Control yan.
Ayan o, control.
Communication.
Kayo.
Ito.
Computation database.
Computation.
Wala.
Nag-copy-paste. Sige po, sana po. Yung for the computation category na lang po, I will receive ang mean score po 3.34, which is hindi nga po siya itaas ito kasi po nga po. Rated nga rin po siya strong agree. So that means that the computation practices such as data handling and processing speed nga po very effective and met IT experts' expectation. So moving on to communication. Asan din communication? Ito. So lastly po, we have communication which received an overall mean score of 3.05. Indicated the general agreement regarding the effectiveness of the communication protocols employed in the device. So this is for now indicated that the IT experts are satisfied with the communication capabilities of our device. So in summary po, the assessment